So hello guys and welcome to Simplifying Electronics. Eventually in this series, we will learn some characteristics of C programming language and we will also compare it with some other programming languages. But before that, it is absolutely important to learn about higher level language and lower level language. By understanding this concept, we will be able to understand that why C language is known as a middle level language. It is absolutely important to know this thing, so watch this video till the very end. Before learning anything about any programming language, it is important to understand the concepts of higher level language and lower level language. So let us start. Let us start with the lower level language first. This is a language that is only understood by the CPU and not by us humans. A CPU essentially is considered as a machine in the world of programming. Hence, a lower level language is also known as a machine level language or a CPU understandable language. This lower level language only consists of ones and zeros. Since C language only consists of two digits, that is ones and zeros, in technical terms we call it a binary language. The dictionary meaning of binary is one which is based on only two numbers. A binary number will look something like this. This is a binary equivalent of a decimal number 181. Now a programmer will have to deal with a lot of such binary numbers. So in order to represent these binary numbers in a more appropriate way, the world has devised something which is known as a hex code. And the hex equivalent of this number is B5. Because of this, we can also say that a lower level language is a hex code. So by this time, we have seen that a lower level language is a CPU understandable language. It is also known as a machine language. It is represented in binary code, and a more appropriate way of representing this binary code is a hex code. Now on the contrary, a higher level language is not CPU understandable or machine understandable. A programmer does not understand machine code. He or she always writes a program in higher level language. Hence, a higher level language is also known as a programmer understandable language. But before programming a CPU, there arises a need to convert a higher level language to a lower level language or CPU understandable language or machine language or binary code or a hex code, since a CPU cannot understand this higher level language. So we can say that a higher level language is a user understandable language or a programmer understandable language. So that's all for today folks. If you want to understand the difference between a source code, an application and a process, then watch the video prior to this video. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if you found this video helpful. Leave a comment if you have any query regarding the topic. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others.